Without reliable models, financial analysts cannot accurately forecast performance. Planning occurs through gut feel versus validated projections. In some cases, enterprise technology purchases were 200% under budgeted due to poor modeling. Deals collapsed as a result. This hands-on modeling course builds real-world expertise. Attendees practice building flexible projection models based on company data. For example, projecting cash flows across business scenarios, building integrated statements, KPI dashboards to provide actionable insights. These specialized modeling skills strengthen organizational planning and decisions. Teams can run projections, simulate performance for accuracy through volatility. Individually, financial analysts gained versatile modeling skills, enabling complex analysis and accurate forecasts to guide strategy. For career advancement by meeting critical organization-wide demands, Enroll now to equip teams with technical modeling excellence and empower analytical insights that drive growth, resilience, and value.